Hey, this is Aaron. In this video, I'm going to talk about capacity limitations. So let's give an example here. Here's an update, a time page for an event. Basically, I got here from going from events, clicking an event, and clicking over for event times, and clicking on a specific event time. Okay, so let's talk about the capacity. Event capacity is pretty much like the capacity limit for like the entire venue. So that's it right there. Now over here for the individual ticket types, adults and seniors, it says unlimited, and that's just because we're respecting the entire time's capacity. Now, for example, let's say we only want, a maximum of 50 adults and 50 seniors. Very, very specific here. You could set it this level as well too, but in most cases, it really doesn't matter. You can just go ahead and leave it unlimited because we're gonna respect the overall time capacity. All right, now one more case. Let's say you have a bunch of VIP tickets that you wanna give away and you want to have them as like a separate stash. Well, what you could do, and you definitely know there's gonna be 20 people that sort of exhaust that limit. What you could do over here is make these both 80 and 80. That way, they're sort of their own thing here. Actually, let's go ahead and delete the senior tickets for this example. So basically you have, general admission adults is 80 tickets. So they're pretty much their own capacity limit right there. And let's create another one called VIP over here. And that will be a maximum of 20. So you'll have pretty much a specific amount over here for VIP and a specific amount for 80. Pretty much the overall total capacity will be 100. Now let me show you something special. Let's make the VIPs completely free. And now I'll go over to settings. And over here in settings, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say this is a password protected ticket type. And the password will be VIP. So what happens is people will not see this ticket type at all until they have put in this password, or actually in this case, it's gonna be a promo code that's gonna unlock it. Let me show you how that will work. And actually, let me show you one other tip too. If you copy this URL right here in this link, it'll pre-apply it. That way people don't have to actually put in that code. Let's test it out right now. And if I want to add this to the other ticket types, other times, I can click that button and this toast notification I'll go ahead and apply it. So now this ticket type is on all 3 different times. Awesome. All right, so let's go to our event page right now. And I'll click buy tickets. And I'm gonna grab tickets for the very first day. And you notice the VIP is right here. And I can get tickets for free for this one and check out. Now let me show you what it would look like if I didn't have that code. So I'm gonna go incognito mode here. And basically I'm gonna go to like the normal page that everybody else would get. I'll click on buy tickets. I'll click on the 18th. And you notice I don't see that VIP ticket level. So right now you just have the general admission, which has a capacity limit of 80. And then the other VIPs have a capacity limit of 20. So that way you pretty much have the maximum capacity of 100 tickets. VIP is pretty much its own bushel of tickets of 20. And over here, this general admission has a capacity of 80. Now let's say you're not really sure if the VIPs are gonna exhaust the whole amount. What you could really do is just for general admission, you can make that 100 over here, and you can make it 20 over here. And at the end of the day, we're never gonna oversell 100 tickets total. So that's another way of achieving it. So after each order, we'll verify that you have 100 tickets remaining. If you don't have 100 tickets remaining, we'll pretty much mark it as sold out, regardless of this being 20 and 100 over here. All right, hopefully this video is helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know. Bye now.